Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Kimpton Canary Hotel, an IHG hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This stylish Santa Barbara hotel features an outdoor rooftop swimming pool and a lounge with stunning views. Centrally located State Street is 5 minutes walk away. Each guest room includes free Wi-Fi. Styled in plush white linens, each room offers a flat-screen cable TV, a yoga mat and a private bathroom with luxury bath amenities. Bathrobes and makeup mirrors are also provided. Gourmet treats in the honor bar are offered in each room. Fresh farmers market vegetables, fresh seafood and Central Coast wines are features at the on-site restaurant, Finch Fork. An evening wine hour and morning coffee, tea and snacks are provided to guests. Same-day drying cleaning services are available at Kimpton Canary Hotel. Stearn Wharf Pier is 1.1 miles away from this hotel. The University of California Santa Barbara is 15 minutes drive away. Premier shopping and dining opportunities at Paseo Nuevo are 5 minutes walk away from Kimpton Canary Hotel. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.